My name is Jessica Nelson, and I help homeowners like you to get their home sold in any type of market. Are you having the same trouble that this homeowner has had? They tried to sell the home, but because of the market, they decided to put the property up for rent. After just a short period of time of welcoming a renter, unfortunately, they found out that the renter had trashed the place. Carpets torn up, holes in walls, late on the rent. Every problem you could ever imagine, this poor seller has been through. So what happens next? They knew that they couldn't sell for the price that the home is worth because they tried that already. They put a renter in here, and the renter unfortunately caused more damage than they ever received rent for. So if you're going through this personally yourself, what I'd like you to do right now is take a look at the number on your screen and write it down so that you can call me to help you. So what's the solution? We helped these homeowners to be able to secure a loan so that they could do the updates on this property so that a buyer would be interested. It's very hard to sell a home that has obvious damage. No matter how great the market is, most home buyers are not looking to put in a lot of work the minute they move in. So that was the first thing we did. We helped them to secure the money they needed to do the repairs. The second thing we did is we took a look at different creative structures that could help them to not be a landlord and also be able to move forward and away from this property without having to be responsible for it anymore. For this particular seller, what we did is we helped them to secure a SUBTO buyer. There are other sellers that we have helped where SUBTO does not work, and there are many other options for them as well. You're probably wondering, why has no other agent or realtor talked to me about this? It sounds too good to be true. Is that the thought you're having right now? It's not too good to be true. The unfortunate part is that most real estate agents don't take the time to educate themselves on anything other than a quick buck. But in today's market, what you need to be able to achieve your goals is someone who has a full belt of skills. Those skills have to include helping you to find creative solutions to all of the different issues you're finding so that you don't end up like these wonderful people, having had a tenant trash their place, costing them money, and not paying them rent after failing to sell. So if you yourself have failed to sell in today's market and you're thinking about renting your home, this is a cautionary tale and a great time for you to get a second or third opinion on potential solutions to your current issue. Now, I don't have enough time to go over every different solution that we can offer you, but what I can do is get on a private call for about 15 minutes with you via Zoom. No matter where you are in the world, I do have partners who can help you. It is not a sales call. I don't even know if I can help you in your current situation. The purpose and intention of us getting together is simply a consultation. A consultation to find out what your needs are and how we can find you a solution to meet those needs. If this sounds like something you're currently experiencing and you would like some relief, go ahead and call me, Jessica Nelson, at the number on your screen so we can set you up with a confidential 15-minute Zoom call to discover how we can help you. Thank you.